How to master data science from home, tips, tricks, and resources. Welcome back, data enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of data science and how you can master it right from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Setting the foundation. 1. Establishing the basics. To start your data science journey, it's essential to establish a strong foundation. We'll cover key concepts, programming languages, and mathematical skills you need to get started. Spend 1 hour daily revisiting core concepts such as linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Utilize software like MATLAB or NumPy for numerical computations and data analysis. Understanding these mathematical principles is crucial for advanced data science techniques. Building practical skills. 2. Hands-on projects. Data science is a hands-on field, so we'll discuss the importance of working on real-world projects. Learn by doing, as you apply your knowledge to solve practical data problems. Spend 1 hour daily reading articles, research papers, and blogs to stay updated on the latest trends and advancements in data science. Engage in real-world projects, either through personal initiatives or by participating in open-source projects and competitions. Collaborate with other data scientists and engage in discussions on platforms like GitHub and Kaggle to broaden your knowledge and gain practical experience. Expanding your toolkit. 3. Programming languages. Python and R are the go-to programming languages in data science. We'll explore their features, libraries, and resources to help you become proficient in coding. Devote 2 hours daily to learning Python, a widely used language for data science. Familiarize yourself with libraries like Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib for data visualization, and scikit-learn for machine learning. Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda distribution are useful tools for interactive coding and managing Python environments. 4. Data visualization tools. Discover powerful data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, allowing you to present your insights in a visually compelling manner. Dedicate 1 hour daily to learning data visualization techniques using libraries like Tableau, D3.js, or Matplotlib. Learn to create meaningful visualizations that effectively communicate insights from data. Develop skills in storytelling and presenting data to effectively convey your findings. Gain proficiency in data manipulation and analysis. Dedicate 2 hours daily to mastering data manipulation techniques using SQL for database querying and manipulation. Learn how to work with structured and unstructured data using tools like Apache Spark and Hadoop. Gain hands-on experience with data cleaning, data pre-processing, and exploratory data analysis. Explore machine learning and deep learning. Spend 2 hours daily studying various machine learning algorithms, their theoretical foundations, and practical applications. Practice implementing algorithms using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch for deep learning. Kaggle, an online platform for data science competitions, can provide valuable hands-on experience. 7. Data visualization tools. Discover powerful data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, allowing you to present your insights in a visually compelling manner. Dedicate 1 hour daily to learning data visualization techniques using libraries like Tableau, D3.js, or Matplotlib. Learn to create meaningful visualizations that effectively communicate insights from data. Develop skills in storytelling and presenting data to effectively convey your findings. Nurturing your learning journey. 8. Data science communities. Joining data science communities, such as Reddit, LinkedIn groups, and data science forums, helps you connect with fellow learners and experts, fostering knowledge sharing and collaboration. Spend 2 hours daily studying various machine learning algorithms, their theoretical foundations, and practical applications. Practice implementing algorithms using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch for deep learning. Kaggle, an online platform for data science competitions, can provide valuable hands-on experience. Use online learning platforms. Explore popular online learning platforms like Coursera, DataCamp, and Udacity, where you can find comprehensive data science courses taught by industry experts. All the links for online learning are given in the description. Before we wrap up, make sure to follow us on social media for updates, additional resources, and engaging discussions. Also, don't forget to check out our next video, 10 Data Science Projects to Boost Your Portfolio. It's packed with practical project ideas that will help showcase your skills to potential employers. Thank you once again for joining me on this data science journey. Remember, with dedication, practice, and the right resources, you can master data science from the comfort of your home. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy data science adventures!